Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video I'm going to show you how to install outdoor flood lighting with motion sensors built into the lights. And if you stay tuned, you'll see what tools I use to get the job done. So let's get to it. Today's video is sponsored by Sangled Lighting Products. They've been so kind to donate these for the video to showcase their products. And today is a floodlights with built-in motion sensors. They also have a built-in photo cell so that they're not on during the day using up your electricity. So we have two of these. All right. Put that back. And then we have a junction box to install these on. Which is waterproof. Comes with some assembly items here. It's your waterproof gasket. The multi-position mounting bracket, which is going to be very important because you have two holes here to line up for later. A couple wire nuts, screws to hold that together. So we'll put that back. Set that up there. Alright. Why Sangled Lighting Products? Well, they've been in business since 2012, and their US-based company is headquartered in Alpharetta, Georgia, and they integrated customer electronics with energy-saving LED lighting. Okay, so I have my ladder set up outside, but I wanted to go over some basic tools that you're probably going to need before you have to get a ladder and all that stuff out. So I'm working off an extension ladder, so I got a bucket so I can put some stuff in there, take it up, and then I got some zip ties so I can zip tie the handle to one of the rungs. It just saves you a couple steps from going up and down the ladder. I have just a basic tool belt with an extra pouch, tools, maybe some screws or whatever you need to put in there. On this particular one I need some WD-40 because the screws holding the cover on are rusted. So I need that. And then couple basic hand tools, like I got this all-in-one screwdriver. It's got big Phillips, big flat blade, and the small ones. Pair of dikes for cutting wire, which you can cut the wire with these strippers, but you'll need some wire strippers to strip your wires back. And that should do it, I believe. So now we'll meet you outside and we'll get this thing on. Alright, here we go. First things, I made sure we got the power off. Next we just take our screws off for the existing cover. Next we just take our screws off for the existing cover. And there's the old gasket. If yours gets stuck, you might want to clean it off with some sort of knife. Okay. Now you can adjust these however you want. There's screws here, and then there's a locking nut to hold the position. Perfect. The light bulb automatically turns on when you approach the light when it's nighttime. The light bulb automatically turns off in 90 seconds when you leave. Cut your electric bill has a lifespan of 15,000 hours that can effectively reduce the frequency replacing. Energy and cost savings by replacing your 90-watt halogen fixtures save more than 85% electricity bill per year.